Hi. Before a guest even arrives, the hotel staff plays a vital role in preparing for their check-in. This pre-arrival phase involves verifying reservation, assigning rooms based on availability and guest request specific room type, view accessibility needs, and preparing any necessary paperwork or digital information. Upon arrival, the guest journey begins with the initial contact, often at the front desk or through a concierge or bellhop. Once the reservation and payment are confirmed, the guests receive their room key, often in the room of physical keycard or a digital key accessible through a mobile app. The check-in process is not always seamless. Issues can arise, such as overbooking, incorrect reservations, or problems with payment or processing. Effective staff training and efficient problem-solving skills are very vital in handling the situation quickly and professionally. The hotel check-in process is multifaceted.